We started with a lot of market research. That early research, that one-on-one interview style research, was tremendously important. Spring-loaded technology makes a novel bionic knee brace that loads energy when the user bends their knees and releases that energy as they straighten their legs, thereby assisting their strength, reducing fatigue and preventing injury. We use a combination of digital advertising and marketing automation to bring in customers from a variety of sources through Facebook, through Google, to then educate them about our product. The direct-to-consumer model for us has been really important to stay close to the customer. Since focusing on Canada and the United States, our business has been growing at a rate of over 26% compounded monthly, and we are consistently growing toward our objectives of becoming a large, internationally known company that's a leader in bionics.